Hello. Welcome to the Seeds Legal family. We are here to support you by providing you access to your legal rights one legal product at a time. In addition, our Seeds Legal Learning creates fun and easy to understand videos so that you can learn about your basic legal rights. Today, we are going to talk about trust and estate. It is something that a lot of people trying to avoid. But it is a very important topic because it directly affects you and your family. Did you ever think about what would happen if you are incapacitated or died? What happens to your assets? Who will manage your money and other assets? If you are in a hospital and cannot make any decisions, who will be able to make decisions about your medical treatment? If you have children, what will happen to them? Who will take care of them? Again, we know that no one wants to think about this. But if you don't have proper trust and estate documents in place, you will leave your loved one with a mess. They would have to go through many months and, sometimes, years, of the court system. And spend a lot of legal fees to deal with it. If you spend a little bit of time now to take care of this, you will know for sure that your assets and loved ones are being taken care of exactly the way that you prefer in the future. They will be very grateful that you had everything planned out. Trust and estate can be very complicated. But there are some simple set of documents that every person should have to start with. It is like building blocks. Start with simple basic blocks. Then, add more layers of blocks in the future as you need them based on your life and the growth of your assets. Here is how it works. Each person normally have to manage 3 major categories of his or her life. The first category is your assets. This includes money, house, cars, stocks, and any other assets that you have. The second category is decisions about your health and medical treatments. This means what kind of medication or medical procedures that you should have if you're sick. And then the last major category is if you have any children. This means taking care of the children and making all decisions about their well-being. During a person's lifetime, he or she will be able to take care of all of the 3 categories by himself or herself. However, if the person is incapacitated, and is unable to make any decisions and take care of these categories, the question would be, then who will have authority to manage these categories, and make decisions on behalf of this person? The purpose of trust and estate documents is to give each person the rights and power to appoint the people that they want to manage those categories for them. If you don't have the basic documents in place, it will be up to the long and expensive court procedures to decide for you. And, since the judges don't know you, the result may not be what you desired. This is why it is so important for you to have at least a basic set of trust and estate documents as soon as possible. The first basic trust and estate document is the durable power of attorney. This document allows you to appoint anyone you desire to be the authorized person to manage your assets. There are standard action items that he or she allows to act on your behalf, and there are also additional items that you can add to the document. The second basic trust and estate document is the healthcare directives. This document allows you to appoint anyone you desire to be your healthcare surrogate. This healthcare surrogate will make all decisions for you about your medical treatment and procedures. The third basic trust and estate document is the guardianship for minors. This document allows you to appoint anyone you desire to be the guardian of your children. The law does require the guardian to be at least 18 years old, not a felon, and if it is not your family member, he or she must be a resident of your state. This guardian will take care of your children and make decisions for their well-being. Again, these 3 basic trust and estate documents are designed for having someone you trust to take care of your assets, your healthcare decisions, and your minor children during the time of incapacitation. Think of them as temporary arrangements during the time that you are unavailable. The final important basic trust and estate document is the will. The will gives each person the right and power to designate anyone he or she desires to manage his or her assets and take care of the minor children after the person's death. Think of this as a more permanent arrangement. The will can be very complicated, but you can have a simple will if all you're dealing with is appointing who you want to manage your assets and your children. A simple will also allow you to name the beneficiaries who will inherit your assets. At Seeds Legal, You can access and purchase this set of basic trust and estate documents through our website. Our goal is build basic blocks of legal products that are affordable and accessible by the people. Although every person should have this set of basic trust and estate documents, keep in mind that these documents do not address any tax issues that may come with your assets and inheritance of the assets. If you have significant amount of assets, you may need a more customized and complex set of trust and estate documents. These documents would need to be drafted by attorneys on a case-by-case basis. If you have any specific needs other than the basic trust and estate documents, you can contact us, and we can refer you to an attorney for you to discuss with them. Thank you for watching our video today. This video intends to provide you with a high-level general overview of trust and estate concepts. If you want to learn more about each of the basic trust and estate documents, please check out our other videos and educational materials on our website. At Seeds Legal, we work tirelessly to build basic legal products so that you can access your rights. See you next time.